Creating ebooks used to take weeks. Writing, editing, designing, and formatting. But now, with EbookWriter AI, you can do it all in minutes without hiring anyone or spending a lot. Just enter your topic or niche and the AI instantly generates your ebook, complete with chapters, clean formatting, and professional flow. No writing, no design work, no headaches. It even helps you create a beautiful cover that's ready to upload on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or on your own website. The best part, you save hundreds of dollars you'd normally pay freelancers, and you get a publish-ready ebook in record time. So if you've got an idea, EbookWriter AI helps you turn it into a real product fast. Stop wasting time and money. Click the link in the description and start creating your ebooks today with EbookWriter AI.